Sterling,
I
wheel.
think this is the right exit. Is this the right exit? It doesn't feel like the right exit. There's a pilot right there. We go Granite City. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Ah, excuse me. Oh, man. Sometimes it just gets you. Sometimes you just get the feeling. Okay, I kind of know where I'm at now. We were here not too long ago. Yeah, because the arch is right there. There's that raceway. I was here New Year's. They got a Taco Bell and a Subway.